So guys, welcome by the way. So welcome. So if you are new and you've not subscribed, click on the subscribe button. Now we will be looking at our NAS100 analysis from weekly time frame down. So basically, stay to the end, watch it fully to the end. So to understand properly or to get a full knowledge on how our NAS100 will very much likely be moving. Now we will start with our weekly time frame. First of all, we see this trend move. I think 2017, right? Even before 2017, let's see, I think this was around 2009, sorry. About 2000, possibly even 2008, we are actually on an impulse move. We see this impulse movement upward since 2009 on our Nasdaq 100. We've actually been rolling up ever since that 2008. And, and of recent now, we see that our price is now changing direction. Like what goes up must surely comes down, right? So basically, our Nasdaq 100 is actually giving us that same move. It has actually gone up for a very long time, and now we are seeing a drop. Weekly time frame, and that is it, right? So let's start off this recent weekly time frame. This was an impulse move we had there, right? I'll take it here. So I don't want to do it on this small move. I want to do it the full move. This was a good impulse move. We had a correction, right? There was an impulse move here, right? So we've had a correction again. So what are we expecting again? Another impulse move downward. So basically, on this weekly time frame, we are still expecting an impulse move downward to take out these lows, coupled with the fact that the interest rates increase when they said there won't be any stopping on the increase of interest rate, which means once interest rates keeps increasing, then stocks tends to fall. And we all know stocks in this Nasdaq 100, once they start falling, then definitely our Nasdaq 100 will actually drop. By the way, when stocks falls, because the reason why it falls because it becomes more expensive to borrow to actually run a company, which means the shares of that company continue to drop, and basically all these stocks which are in Nasdaq 100 will also continue to drop, and Nasdaq 100 itself will continue to drop. So basically, weekly time frame, we are on a bearish move, right? And of recent, let's see it of this recent move here. I wanted to this is of this recent move we want us to be eyeing and we want to trade, right? This on our recent move, there was a drop, right? We've had a correction. After a correction, what are you expecting next? Another drop again on this Nasdaq 100. So this week, possibly the end of this week, before the end of this week, this week, by the way, we should actually have a drop. But of recent, currently, we are actually, having a pullback area. So the pullback area should be over anytime soon. To actually understand where our pullback area will be ending anytime soon, this is we would actually roll down to the daily time frame. So basically on the weekly time frame, this was actually the drop, right? And we now add this pullback area. So basically, where are we expecting our pullback area to end? Two areas, which is this area here, which I'll be considering 1.12884. I'll be considering our Nasdaq 100 to actually roll to that level and a drop, or very much likely to see it roll to this level here, which is about to this level. But let's just take it higher up a little bit, at least 13225. So there are two levels we are expecting our Nasdaq 100 to actually see that drop, since we are on a pullback level, which is going bullish now, which is about 12884. Or if it continues to roll up, then we should see the drop at 13225 on our Nasdaq 100. We are still expecting a drop. And another reason is that why we'll be seeing a drop possibly tomorrow or next tomorrow. If we don't have the drop tomorrow, we're very much likely to have the drop next tomorrow, because if you are to see here, this is an impulse move, right? Starting from here, this is a green. At least after this long impulse move, what are we expecting next? A correction, which means a red should actually be showing anytime soon. Possibly it will show tomorrow or next tomorrow. So we are expecting a drop. But let's see it if it will actually roll to this level here, which we just highlighted. If it's rolled to this level, then we should see it drop on our Nasdaq 100. I believe it will actually drop to this level. Then if it will continue to roll up, then after a drop at this level, then we should see a breakout spot. We're expecting on our Nasdaq 100 to drop at this level, by the way. So Nasdaq 100 still a little bit of a bullish move we are expecting on our daily time frame. Then a drop would be made. So to actually place this trade, you would actually roll down to 4-hour time frame. What does the 4-hour time frame says? We are actually bullish. We are actually on an uptrend move, coupled with the fact that our price is above our technical indicator, which is our moving average. Price is below above 10-period moving average, which means we should actually go long. This is an impulse move. The correction was made. Another impulse move. We had a little bit of a correction, right? So basically, this is another impulse move on our 4-hour time frame. Let's see if you have that impulse move to take out these lows here. If not, we're very much likely to see it take out these lows, then another drop will be expected. So basically, we should be expecting a drop at this level, it will roll up and be expecting a drop at this level. So 4-hour time frame is still bullish. If you want to trade the 4-hour time frame, still trade the bullish, but we are expecting a drop anytime soon. Likewise, on our 1-hour time frame, still an uptrend move. So if you want to trade it at this lower time frame, then still aim to go long till we actually have a drop on this NASDAQ 100.